Hello investors, traders, and cryptocurrency enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the most relevant news, in-depth analysis, and real predictions about the world of digital currencies. Today, we're going to talk about a major development generating significant buzz in the crypto market. Webus International Ltd, a company with strong operations in the premium mobility sector and blockchain-based loyalty programs, has announced a strategic purchase of $100 million in XRP, as part of its long-term financial strategy. In addition, the company has activated a conditional credit line tied to Ripple's native token. It's an innovative move that could pave the way for other corporations. It's interested in integrating cryptocurrencies into their corporate operations. This decision not only strengthens Webus' position in the international market, but also reinforces XRP's role as a viable solution for corporate treasury management, especially for global companies seeking efficiency and reduced transaction costs. Webus signed a key agreement with Ripple Strategy Holdings, a subsidiary closely linked to Ripple Labs, to establish a senior credit line worth $100 million. It's directly backed by XRP. The contract is conditional and provides for the gradual release of funds over 24 months, with disbursements ranging between $250, $0 and $3 million at a time, allowing the company to inject capital as needed, without significantly affecting shareholder equity. This type of financing offers flexibility and strategic liquidity, extremely valuable in a global economic environment marked by volatility and high interest rates. The choice of XRP as support for this credit line demonstrates the growing recognition of the asset as both a reserve tool and an efficient medium of exchange for companies looking to modernize their international financial processes. For many analysts, this is further proof that XRP is moving beyond being seen merely as a speculative coin and is now taking on a fundamental role in corporate operations. This $100 million credit line shows confidence in our long-term vision with XRP. Webus CEO Nain Zheng emphasized the strategic importance of this move during a recent press conference. It allows us to raise capital efficiently whenever necessary, avoiding excessive shareholder dilution, he stated, reinforcing that the initiative is part of a broader digital and financial transformation plan. According to Zheng, the funds will be used to accelerate Webus' expansion in the North American and Asia-Pacific markets, two key regions for its business. This includes developing new mobility solutions connected to decentralized loyalty programs that leverage the advantages of the RippleNet ecosystem, such as low transaction costs, high speed, and interoperability across financial systems. The message is clear. Integrate blockchain technology into traditional processes to increase operational efficiency and create sustainable value for stakeholders. This model aims to optimize the company's liquidity by leveraging XRP as a central component of its treasury strategy, but also as a tool to facilitate cross-border payments, enhance user experience and loyalty programs, and reduce operational costs associated with traditional financial infrastructure. Beyond the credit line, Webus has also launched a digital asset management program, the maximum capacity of $300 million. The idea is to use the token not only as a store of value. In a context of increasing regulatory scrutiny around cryptocurrencies, Webus' approach highlights the importance of adopting secure, transparent, and internationally compliant integration models. This reinforces the legitimacy of XRP as a functional and useful asset within the global financial system, particularly for companies looking to maintain liquidity in digital assets without compromising governance and compliance standards. And even institutional actors who may see this as a viable alternative to excessive stock issuance or heavy debt accumulation. Webus' strategy reflects an emerging trend in the corporate world: the search for new financial mechanisms that combine innovation, efficiency, and scalability. By adopting XRP as a core part of its asset portfolio, the company demonstrates how cryptocurrencies can be used to solve real-world treasury and cash flow challenges, especially in multinational contexts. It represents an innovative model of how global corporations can use cryptocurrencies as strategic tools for growth and financial stability. Moreover, the model positions Webus to gain a competitive edge over rivals still relying solely on fiat currencies or traditional debt instruments. The use of an XRP-backed credit line also opens the door for future partnerships with other corporate players, If successful, this approach could inspire other companies to follow suit, contributing to the maturation of the crypto market as a legitimate corporate tool. Ultimately, Webus' decision goes far beyond a simple allocation of capital into digital assets. By integrating XRP into its treasury operations and credit lines, the company shows it is ahead of the curve in adapting to changes in the global financial landscape. Where asset digitization and decentralized operations are increasingly present, this move could be a turning point not only for Webus itself, but also for the entire crypto market, especially considering we're at a crucial moment for regulation and institutional acceptance. While some remain skeptical about XRP, cases like this show that it continues to be one of the few digital assets with real potential to bridge the gap between traditional finance and the blockchain universe. Stay tuned here on the channel to follow all updates, exclusive technical analyses, and full coverage of what's happening in the crypto universe.